what's happening, everyone? Today, hopefully, me and Frank are gonna go get some welding gas. 75% argon, 25% CO2 is a pretty good mix. That's what most welders run. You could do 100% argon, but I prefer the 75-25. So we're gonna run up and see what they got. But we need to get a tank, and if it ends up being a rental tank that we have to trade in every time, I don't know if we're gonna end up getting it today. So normally, if we were to go to Albany Steel, we could buy our own tank, and the tank would cost, it'd probably be like 180 bucks for a number 2 filled. And right now, it's gonna be anywhere from 200 to 300, and it's most likely gonna be a rental tank that we have to bring back every time and trade in for a new tank. So that's the more expensive way to go. So we'll see what happens. Just waiting on Frank to pick me up. Alright, so we're on our way to Tractor Supply. That's the only fucking place open right now that has welding gas. And I'm pretty sure they're fucking rental tanks, so
we'll see. If they are rental tanks, we might just tell them we're not going to buy one there.
yeah, fuck that.
So
I might just go get it tomorrow. What up, you dude?
Oh shit. Oh.
Dude's trying to cut us off, man.
Cut me off, man. Now he's looking at me.
Alright, we're at our local Tractor Supply. We're gonna see what they got for us.
A little bit of wire for the welder. We got a grinder to clean some shit up.
Weird. Alright, so after about 30 to 45 minutes walking around the store, because they only have 2 employees today, I guess.
Yep.
We're finally about to grab a fucking can.
Yep, we got our mixture we need, 75-25.
Hell yeah, we're getting the shit we want. And we own the fucking tank.
Uh-huh. Best part, we can exchange it anywhere.
Hell yeah.
280 bucks for number 2, so... Yeah, thanks to Tractor Supply.
Seems a little high, but...
Yep. Only place open after 5 that has welding gas.
Alright, so we just got a nice fucking deal.
We just got a fat discount on some argon, dude.
Hell yeah. We bought a number 2 tank that was like shorter and fatter than all the rest of the number 2 tanks.
And it just caused complete controversy.
But the employee that was helping us thought it was the same thickness, or I don't know, skinniness, fatness, I don't know what the fuck you want to say, as the other number 2s, but it was fatter. And
so we basically bought a number 1 for a number 2.
Yeah, we bought the number 2 for $230, and then we went back in and they gave us 25% off of it because they thought it was a smaller tank, but in reality it's just shorter and fatter.
So yeah. There she is, and there's a fucking rabbit.
Bada bing, bada boom. What do you got going on here?
Taking off the EGR bullshit, because we're not going to need EGR anymore.
Missed the part where you just got hurt.
Yeah.
shit.
Oh shit, I love this. This is great. Best part about working on cars.
Should have got knee pads.
Yeah.
Oh man, tools are flying.
Tools and bolts are flying. Just to save this one little space that I saw. Maybe I did get it already. I don't fucking remember. Let's see it. I see it. There it is, you little cocksucker. There it is, you little cocksucker. Oh, fuck.
What'd you do now?
I hate when that happens. Piece of shit magnet falls off.
No way, really?
Sometimes. Oh!
Good thing it's a magnet, so it just gets stuck at the closest spot.
Oh, I think that's Dave ripping. I think I heard him.
Maybe. Here comes the Beamer.
Yep, there it is.
Is he gonna rip by? Fucking sick. It's good.
Oh shit! Alright, I don't know why it's working now, but everyone hold their panties. Oh.
Oh.
What's that one?
Oh no, it's going, just different side.
They're all good. The other ones are
Those are
spares.
spares. Alright, hit it.
Wow. I don't know, dude. I don't know if we should.
Hit the start.
I don't know, it might pop again.
Move your fingers.
It might pop.
Oh wait, is it in gear?
Oh shit. Oh, we don't know, dude.
Dude, I don't know if there's oil in it.
There's
Does
no
it
way
roll
it's gonna
freely?
start. We don't even, it rolls freely.
Then it's not in gear. The chain's
Oh yeah, you're right.
Unless the fucking train is blue.
Yeah, true.
Ready?
Ah, I'm
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh!
Shit show. Probably gonna be it for tonight. BMW 335xi, all-wheel drive, twin turbo.
450 horsepower.
Hell yeah.
Freshly tuned. Smells amazing.
Smell that rich running fuel.
Yep. You were fat all rip. Okay, this thing is stupid loud.
Sick. Alright, well, we didn't get too much done today, but got a sweet deal on some fucking gas.
Yep. Fucked with the stunt bike a little bit.
Yep, hopefully we'll fucking...
Oh, well, we got a new game plan for the 240.
Yeah, we got a new game plan for the 240. We're gonna get the driver's side floor hopefully all done Sunday, and
maybe some of the frame rail. Yeah, what the fuck?
And then
maybe some of the frame rail.
Yeah, hopefully we'll get the frame rail on the driver's side cut out, and we will get the floor welded in, and then if we can, we're gonna get the frame rail tacked up in there, hopefully on Sunday. So stay tuned for that. Probably in the meantime, do a little more work on the Miata. Have a good one.
Peace.